Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Joey.
I'm Stevo.
And today we're going to find out if a $300 cold air intake is worth installing on a truck or if it's just an expensive bolt-on.
Or a piece of crap.
So I bought a K&N Series 63 cold air intake for my 2017 F-150. And I was wondering if it's honestly worth installing. So today, with the help of my lovely partner, we're gonna find out. We're gonna run some tests to see if it's honestly worth it. So these trucks and a lot of these newer trucks require a lot of air to keep going. This one is a twin turbo V6, and these cold air intakes, in theory, help air movement and air performance. So theoretically, if we install something that helps with air performance, it should make the truck run better. Right, bud?
Probably won't, but we'll give it a try.
So the first thing I wanted to show you guys was just pure cosmetic looks on how the truck looks before and after a cold air intake. So this is the stock 3.5 EcoBoost engine before a cold air intake. Now this is how it looks with the K&N on it. To be completely honest, I think it looks pretty sweet. So the second thing we're gonna find out is the sound. So we're gonna start it up, we're gonna give it a couple revs, and hear how it sounds with the stock Airbox on. No, you're good. All right, I'm gonna turn it over. Okay.
Oh my God. Don't honk a horn in front of my ear.
Dude, you knew that was coming.
Oh, yeah.
See, you didn't jump that time, Steven.
Airbox making noise.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a little juice to test the performance with a stock Airbox on. And just so you know, guys, if you're doing this, don't do it in your residential. Get out to where you're kind of just out in the open. So right now, stock Airbox, trucks already perform really well, so. Yeah, I don't think a little teeny bolt-on is gonna improve that. It's already a ridiculously responsive, but we're gonna find out. So we put the cold air intake on. And honestly, it is a little bit more responsive. What's nice is these trucks require the turbos to spool, so there's a small gap where you are waiting. But if you put a cold air intake on and you shorten that gap, it helps the shorting the gap with the performance. Honestly, it is more, the throttle is a little more responsive. After the turbos spool, no, there really isn't that much of a difference, but throttle response, I can tell a difference. There is more of a blow-off valve too. After the turbo spool, it's a little stronger. does have a. So guys, if you're getting value out of this video, do me a favor, drop a like, drop a comment, throw a subscription if you want to see me and butt cheeks over here do some more tutorials and experience, and overall we just show what we do and everything. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Just so you know guys, I'm not an affiliate for either K&N or Ford. I'm not selling these filters, so I'm not biased per se, but the old filter was a very compressed, flat, just muzzled filter, whereas this is an open element. It's circular. It should grab more. It should keep the heat shield so it makes the air colder and dense, combust better. But if you honestly, you do have some credibility, you work for Ford, you're a mechanic, everything, drop a comment in the link below and let me know if there is a difference. So some people might be a little concerned because this filter is different from the other one in the sense that that is a closed filter, this is an open element filter. So when the hood shuts, I'm not going to shut it all the way because I'm not going to be able to open it back up, but that makes it so that little scoop right here closes off in the weather stripping. And just so you know, if you're interested in this K&N filter, I'm going to drop a link below. I don't know where's below, but I'm going to drop a link in here and how to install this specific Series 63 K&N filter on a 2017 F-150. So air is going in through here, comes up into the forced air, the stock Airbox. This is the bottom stock. Comes in here, hits the aftermarket colder heat shield, gets colder, comes into the circular better airflow, and then comes into our requires air twin turbo engine. So honestly, buddy, camera's off. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What about it do you like specifically?
I have no idea. I just know it's different from what you had.
That's what you like? Different?
I guess. I don't know anything about it. Except there's a square box. I don't give a shit.
Thanks for watching, guys. I gotta wrap this up because there's so much dang noise with all the landscapers around. Let me know if you want to see any more experiences with me and Stevo, and I had a lot of fun. Thanks again for watching.